Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel of Debneel's Mathematics Desk. So today's video is dedicated to the students of class 9. But before starting my video, I would like to tell you that in my previous videos, I got a lot of support from your side. So a huge thanks to all of you for that. Besides this, I will also like to tell you that you also have a subscribe button, and for pressing it, you have to pay nothing to our channel, to my channel. So when you are liking and viewing the video, please subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. So now, without wasting much more time, let's get into our today's video. So as you can see, today's video is for class 9, and I told that we will be starting a new chapter in my post in the morning. So that is factorization, and today we will be solving sums on these two processes, grouping and middle term factorization method. So first we will do a few sums on the grouping method. So let me first explain what is this. Suppose I am taking an example. I have an equation a plus ab equal to 0. Okay. So what I have to do here, I have to take this a common from both. So I can now write this as or a into 1 plus b will be equal to 0. And this is the answer. It's an example only. So here we will have many terms in one question. We have to take out the common term and then solve the equation accordingly. So let's see how we can do that with the help of a few sums. The first one, right on your screen. Let us see. So what I have here is, okay, let us see. Alright, so 2 into 2x minus 5y into 3x plus 4y so to 6 into 2x, no, not equal to, minus 6 into 2x minus 5y into x minus 1. Okay. So we have been told to factorize this problem with the help of the grouping method. So what do we have common here? 2x minus 5y is common here. So let us do it. So I can now write this as or equal to, not or, equal to 2x minus 5y. Let's start a third bracket. I remove 2x minus 5y from here. It will be 2 into 3x plus 4y. Right? And here we are left with minus 6 into x minus y. First bracket close, third bracket close. Okay. See, now if you do back calculate, this comes out if we multiply this with this, and this comes out if we multiply this with this. Okay, simple. Now let us do equal to 2x minus 5y into 2 into 3 is 6x, 2 into 4y is plus 8y, minus 6 into x, minus into minus plus 6y. So we are done here. 6x minus 6x gets cancelled out. This will be equal to 2x minus 5y into 14y. So this is our answer. We factorize the equation by taking 2x minus 5y common and taking the other terms in the third bracket. Very easy. So these type of sums will be there in the grouping method. Let's see some few more. Alright. So now we have AB to a square plus b square minus c square minus bc to c square minus a square minus b square plus ca to a square plus b square minus c square. Alright. In this question only one problem is there. This is common in these two terms. AB into this one and CA into this one, but this is different. So So guys, remember, if I change this minus sign or minus BC, then the signs of three of these will change. Means if I write this as plus BC, it will be minus C square plus A square plus B square. Let's see that this will be equal to AB to A square plus B square minus C square plus BC into, this will be plus A square, this will be plus B square, this will be minus C square. All the signs get changed on converting this sign into plus CA to A square plus B square minus C square. Now I can write this as, this will be equal to A square plus B square minus C square into AB plus BC plus CA. And that is how we get the answer of this question. So just have to change the sign here to change these signs, but these three are same, and then we just solve the equation. Very easy. Let us see a few more. Many sums are there. This is the beginning. At the end you will see very good sums. Alright, question 3. Will look a little easier, but it's slightly different from the previous ones. So it is a cube plus a minus 3 square minus 3. Okay. So here, let's do this. I am just doing so that it seems a little different. Actually, it can't be done because it is a single equation. Let us write it again. A cube plus a minus 3 square minus 3. So here in this a cube plus a, what do we have common? It is a. This will be a into a square plus 1, right? And in this minus 3 square minus 3, we have minus 3 common. Minus 3, this will be a square, minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3. We got this. Now I can write this as, this will be equal to a minus 3 to a square plus 1. Very easy. Taking the a common to make these two same, a and minus 3 common to make these two same, and getting the answer. Very easy. That's the grouping method. Just have to figure it out correctly. Then it's very easy. Let's see question 4. Okay, a little different one. Okay, we have 16 into a plus b whole square minus 4a minus 4b. We have to do this by grouping method. Factorize this. Okay. Let us write this properly. So I can write this as 16 into a plus b into a plus b. Plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b minus 4 into a plus b, which is minus 4 and minus 4b, just like here. Now we have a plus b common. So let us take one a plus b common. This will be equal to a plus b into, if I take a plus b common here, we are left with 16 into a plus b. And if I take a plus b common here, we are left with minus 4. Minus 4. Easy. This will be equal to a plus b to 16a plus 16b minus 4. And that is the answer actually. A plus b 16a plus 16b minus 4. Got it? That's how you do it. We just converted this into a plus b. Here we have a plus b common. Taking one common, we put the remaining terms in the brackets and then find out the answer. Very easy. Grouping method is the basics of factorization. So it is not that tough, but we will do a few sums. Many 1 marks or 2 marks question comes in the exam. Let us see one more. Okay, now it's a little different. Ax plus by square plus bx minus ay square. Alright. So what can we do here is, First, let us do the a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I do that, can write this as a square x square plus b square y square and plus 2 into ax by plus what here b square x square plus a square y square minus 2 to ax by. Bx ay and ax by both are same. Okay. So now this is it. Now this gets cancelled out. We are left with these four terms. Now let's arrange them properly. This can also be written as a square x square plus a square y square plus b square x square plus b square y square. Easy. From these two, let us take the a square common. I can write this as a square into x square plus y square. And from here, let's take the b square common. Can write this as plus b square into x square plus y square. These are same, so I can write this as a square plus b square into x square plus y square. Understood? First expanding them, cancelling these out, grouping the terms properly, arranging them, and then taking the common factors and finding the answer. That's it in this question. Very easy, a little different. Always remember that principle. A plus AB will be equal to A into 1 plus B. That's it. Okay, let's see a few more sums. The question 6 now. Okay, a little different one. Let us see. We have been given with a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 minus 3a plus 3 by a. Okay. So guys, carefully see this. Is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now, what if I write a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. This is also minus 2 and this is also what it is given in the question. Now here minus 3 to a plus 1 by a. Right? Means minus 3a minus, okay, minus 3 to a minus 1 by a. Alright, as you can see, this one minus 3 into a minus 3 and minus 3 minus 1 means 3 by a. This is also same and this is also same. Why I did this? Doesn't it look like a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b? Right? What is it actually? A minus b whole square. Either here it is a minus 1 by a whole square. Okay? Minus 3 to a minus 1 by a. See, we are not violating the equation anyway. This also remains as minus 2 and this remains as a square plus 1 by a square. Just converting the formula so that it looks like a square plus b square minus 2ab. And this is very easy. Minus 3 we take common into a minus 1 by a. Just like that. So what have we got here? We have got a minus 1 by a common in the two terms. So I can write this as equal to a minus 1 by a into 1 a minus 1 by a is taken common. Another one remains 2a minus 1 by a. And here a minus 1 by a is taken common. So minus 3 remains. Minus 3. Alright. So you can further go ahead and do it. So I can also write this as a divided a square minus 1. Alright. Into, let's take a square minus 1 minus 3a. Alright. So this can also be written as a square minus 1. What is it? A plus b into a minus b. So a equal to a plus 1 to a minus 1 by a multiplied by, we have a square minus 3a minus 1. Alright. So can it be means factorized? Let us see. So what is it here? A square minus 3a minus 1. Okay, let us write here. So here we have minus 1, it's a product of this, and minus 3 as the middle one. So here it can't be factorized actually. If you see carefully, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, but minus 2 into minus 1 it is plus 2. So it's validating the equation. Here we have a formula to check if it is factorizable or not, which is to calculate b square minus 4ac. Here b is minus 3, a is 1, c is minus 1. Let's calculate. Therefore b square minus 4ac, what is it? So minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. This is 9 minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4 to 13. Remember guys, this b square minus 4ac, if it is a perfect square of any number, then it can be factorizable, the equation. But see here, is 13 a perfect square of any number? No. So this equation is not factorizable. So I can write this as simply plus 1 into a minus 1 by a to a square minus 3a minus 1 by a. This will be your answer. So what did we do? We took out the squares and then transform this into a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Took minus 3 common here, a minus 1 by a. Got the values, took common a minus 1 by a. Then put the remaining values in the brackets and got the answer accordingly. Very easy. So these types of sums are there. Let's see one more. And then we will be heading towards our next process. Factorizing the middle term. It's very good. Huge part of the sums are from the factorization of middle term only. In higher classes also this formula will be required for you to do quick calculations. We'll see how to do that. Let us see the last sum of grouping. Let us see what is it. Okay. A square plus 4b square minus 3a plus 6b minus 4ab. Okay. We have to arrange this carefully. Let us see. Here we have a square plus 4b square minus 4ab. Let us arrange them in one side and see what happens. Or equal to a square plus 4b square minus 4ab minus 3a plus 6b. Now let us do the square here. This can also be written as a square plus 2b square minus 2 into a into 2b. See, a square is a square plus 2b square is plus 4b square, and this minus 2a into 2b is minus 4ab. Not validating the equation, just transforming it so that it looks like a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So what is it? A minus b whole square. So I can now write this as equal to a minus 2b whole square. And here also we have minus 3a plus 6b. Let us take the minus 3 common and write a minus 3 into a plus 2b. Sorry, minus 2b, yes. This will be minus 3a minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 and b not violating anything. So this will be a minus 2b whole square minus 3 into a minus 2. There you go. Now we have a minus 2b common. Let's just take it out. I can write this as a minus 2b into 1a minus 2b is taken common, another one will remain. So it will be a minus 2b. Here a minus 2b is taken common, minus 3 will only remain, minus 3. That is your answer, a minus 2b into a minus 2b minus 3. Very easy. Convert the equation properly by arranging the terms to any formula so that any two terms are same and taking one common, you can just put the other terms in the bracket. That is grouping. Arrange the terms and group them accordingly. Very easy. So these types of sums are there in the grouping method as you saw. Now we will see a few sums on the middle term factorization method. The middle term factorization method and that method of squares means a square minus b square into a plus b into a minus b, which we will learn in our next video. These are the most two important formulas which are required in higher classes and class 9 obviously. Let us see now for middle term factorization. So guys, see, I am showing you one thing. Suppose one equation is there, a square plus 2ab plus b square. See guys, if I put a 1 as coefficient here, then here 1 into 1, this will be 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. First what we have to do is find the products of the coefficients of a square and b square. Here it is 1. Actually not that. Let me show you properly. The product of these two terms and the sum of these two terms should be equal to the term of the middle, means the coefficient of the middle term given here. So here 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. See, this is the product of a square plus b square, a square and b square, and the sum of the coefficients is 2, which is the coefficient of ab, the middle term. So this is justified. So keep this in mind. This will help us in solving the equations. Let us see how. Alright. Number 8. We have a square minus 3a minus 40. So guys, let us see how 40 can be made by multiplying many numbers. So 40 can be made by 1 into 40, 2 into 20, 8, 5 into 8, 4 into 10 as well. See this guys, 5 into 8. What is 5 minus 8? It is minus 3. And 5 into minus 8, what is it? Minus 40. So now I can write this as a square minus 5a minus 8a minus 40. We can also write how to make minus 40 here. So that can be 1 into minus 40, 2 into minus 20, 5 into minus 8. Check which two when added becomes the coefficient of the middle term, and also making out the means this term, the last term. That is the main criteria. So here we have got it, 5a minus 8a, it is minus 3a, and 5 into minus 8, it is minus 40. Verified. So now let's solve. Here I can take a common, a into a plus 5, then minus 8 common into a plus 5. We did the grouping previously, so a plus 5 is common. This can also be written as equal to a minus 8 2a plus 5. These are the factors of this equation. So see, that's how you should do. Check how the number can be done by multiplication of many numbers, and when added becomes the middle terms coefficient, put that value here, then you will get the answer. Let's see a few more sums like this. We have now number 9. We have 24a cube. Okay, now cube has come into the game, but it will soon go out. Let's see how. Plus 37a square minus 5a. Now the beginning only we can see one a is common in each of them, so I can take that a common. So it will be equal to a into 24a square plus 37a minus 5. There you go. Now it's looking okay. Now let's see the product of the coefficients here. 24 and minus 5 is minus 120. So how can minus 120 be made? Let us see. 1 into minus 120, 2 into minus 60, 3 into minus 40, 4 into minus 30. Keep checking until this value comes out. 5 into minus 24, 6 into minus 20, like this. Alright. 8 into minus 15, 10 into minus 12, and just keep checking. But we don't need to do this much. See this, guys. 3 into minus 40, it is the means minus 120, either 24 into minus 5, and 3 minus 40, it is minus 37. Sorry, so yes. So now I can write this as should be equal to a into 24a square plus 40a minus 3a minus 5. See this, guys. We got 40 minus 3 is 37, and 40 into minus 3 is minus 120, which is 24 into minus 5. So let's now do it. I can also write this as a into taking here. Okay, what is common here? The common factor of here 24 and 40 is 8, and we have a also common. I can write this as 8a into 3a plus 5. Recheck you can do. 8 into 3 is 24a square, 8 into 5 is 40a. Now if I take minus 1 common here, can be 3a plus 5. There you go. We got two terms common. Now let's do simple grouping. I can write this as a into 8a minus 1 to 3a plus 5. So again we saw how we can make minus 120 in different ways, which is the product of minus 5 and the coefficient of a square here. And we saw that minus 40 into 3 is 40 into minus 3, it is minus 120. 40 minus 3 is 37. So we verified the situation, and this is the answer. That's how you do it. Let's see a few more sums. A little bit complicated ones now. Following the same process. That's the main thing. Question 10 for you. Okay, this is a little different. 2a plus b square minus 6a minus 3b. Okay. You can say now what on earth is this? Let us see. Nothing is there in this sum. So let this be as it is, equal to 2a plus b square. If I take here minus 3 common from these two, minus 3, this will be 2a plus b minus 4. Now what if we take 2a plus b as x? Let 2a plus b as x equal to x. So then what will it become? This will become x square as 3 into x minus 4. Now it's looking much more neat and clean actually. Now let's see, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Let's see how minus 4 can be made. 1 into minus 4, 2 into minus 2, and 4 into minus 1. Okay. Now I see this. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And 1 into minus 4 it is minus 4. Alright. So now I can write this as this will equal to x square minus x minus plus x minus 4x minus 4. Okay, very easy. Now let's do, taking x common, I can write this as x into x plus 1 and minus 4 to x plus 1. Let's take minus 4 common. This can also be written as x plus 1 is common, so x minus 4 to x plus 1. But this is not the answer. We took x as 2a plus b. So we will now write this will be equal to what? 2a plus b minus 4 into 2a plus b minus 1. First it was seeming like a confusing sum. But we took the correct value as x, got the equation, and then we saw how minus 4 can be made. 1 minus 4 is minus 10, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, and then simply doing grouping. So this is the answer. Good sum. Still all types of sums are like this only. Little variations, that's all you can get. Still let's see what we have here. Remember this middle-term factorization, guys. In higher classes, for doing quick sums, it will be very helpful. So now let's see one more. Question 11. So it is given x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 20. Again, see guys, x square minus 3x is there, x square minus 3x is there. But what we can do here is to make this look a little bit more neat and clean. Let x square minus 3x equal to a. Then what will it become? This will become equal to a into this is a minus 1 equal to 20. Now it's much neat and clean actually. So a into a square minus 1 minus a. I shift this 20 to this side, minus 20 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so here we did a mistake. It was not equal to, guys. So it was minus only. Okay. Better news. No need to substitute the value of 20. Directly it is given. So now we got the equation. Now what we can do? Minus 20 into 1 is minus 20. Let's see how minus 20 can be formed. 1 into minus 20, 2 into minus 10, 3 not 3, 4 into minus 5. Okay. So guys, see now. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 4 into minus 5 it is minus 20. Product of coefficient of a square and minus 20. So let's write this will be equal to a square plus 4a minus 5a minus 20. And also write this as taking a common, a into a plus 4. And taking minus 5 common, 5 into a plus 4. Very good. So now a plus 4 is common. Simple grouping, we can write this as a minus 5 into a plus 4. But we took x square minus 3x as a. So we have to write that. So this will be equal to x square minus 3x minus 5. X square minus 3x plus 4. Okay guys. So this is the answer of the question. Now you can check if these equations are not factorizable or not. So I taught you b square minus 4ac how to do that. Here for let's take the two equations now. square minus 3x minus 5, x square minus 3x plus 4. For both, here b is equal to minus 3, a is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 5, b is equal to minus 3, a is equal to 1, c is equal to 4. Here b square minus 4ac equal to minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 into 1 into minus 5 equal to 9 plus 20 equal to 29. So is 29 a perfect square of any number? No, absolutely not. Therefore this equation is not factorizable. And let's see here. Here b square minus 4ac equal to minus 3 square 9 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So it will be 9 minus 16 equal to minus 7. So is minus 7 the perfect square of any number? Absolutely not. So both of these equations are non-factorizable. So the answer will remain as it is, x square minus 3x minus 5 into x square minus 3x plus 4. So here we saw x square minus 3x is there in both the terms. Took it as a to make it look much more neat and clean. Now we got the equation. Then we saw how minus 20 can be made. We got 4 minus 5 is minus 1 and 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. So that's it. A simple grouping, we got the equation. Substituted the value of a into x square minus 3x and we got the answer. Very easy. Figure it out properly. Use the formula. You'll get it. So now guys, we have learned all types of sums. Now we are heading towards the last sum for today. Another one based on middle-term factorization. And then in the next video, we will start on the squares of terms, means a square minus b square, that one, and many other formulas as well. Also cubes we will do. How to do that we will see. So let us see now the last one for today. Question 12. Okay. Now in the question it is given, see, x square minus 3x minus 54. And in the brackets it is given, check if it is factorizable or not. If yes, then factorize. Okay. Till now, I have been showing you how we can check if it is factorizable or not. Let's do it again. So here what is b? b is equal to minus 3. It is a equal to 1. c is equal to minus 54. Therefore here what will be b square minus 4ac? b square minus 4ac will be equal to what? Minus 3 square means here 9 minus 4 into 1 into minus 54. So this will be also equal to 9. 54 into 4 is 216 and minus minus, so plus 216 should be equal to 225. Now is 225 a square of any number? Let us see if it is not. 225 can also be written as 1 into 225, then not divisible by 2, then it is divisible by 3, because 2 plus 2 plus 5, this is 9, and 9 by 3 is 3, so it is divisible by 3. So it is 3 into 75, still not a square, obviously divisible by 5, 5 into 45. Then let us see, it is not divisible by 6, by 7, no, it is not divisible. 8 can't be divisible by 9. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 by 9 is 1, so it is divisible by 9. So 9 into will be 25. Still not a square. By 10 it can't be divisible. By 11, no, it is not. 12, obviously not. By 13, So if I divide 225 by 13, is it divisible? Let us see. 139 if 7. No, remainder is there. No, it is not divisible. 14 can't be divisible. 15. Let us see. 15 by 225. 1, 15, 7, 5, 5, 75. Here it is no remainder is there, and 15 into 15. So guys, see, 15 square is equal to 25. Therefore 225 is the square of 15. So this is factorizable. See, therefore it is factorizable. Now let us see how we can factorize it. So now x square minus 3x minus 54. Good. Let's see how minus 54 can be made. Minus 54 into 1 is minus 54. So 1 into minus 54, 2 into minus 27, 3 into minus 18, by 4 can't be done, 6 into minus 9. Okay. So guys, see now. 6 minus 9, it is minus 3 as given here. 6 into minus 9 is minus 54. Justified. So now I can write this as x square plus 6x minus 9x minus 54. This will be equal to x into x plus 6 minus 19 common into x plus 6. This will be equal to x minus 9 into x plus 6. So we saw how we can check if any number is factorizable or not. Find out this b square minus 4ac. See like this, if any square, the square of any number is equal to this, we got here 15 into 15 is equal to 225. So it is factorizable, the first answer. Now then we saw how we can make minus 54, and we got 6 into minus 9 equal to minus 54. 6 plus minus 9 equal to minus 3. So accordingly we solve the equation. So that is how you solve the sums by using grouping and middle term factorization, the middle term being this one. So this is the end of part 1 of factorization. The next video we are going to do the squares of terms, factorization of the squares of terms, cubes and many other things. So then guys, if you found my video informative and helpful, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. It means a lot to me. See you in the next video with part 2 of this chapter. Till then, with a lot of love from my side, take care and goodbye.